Hello everyone, my name is MANS from the Learn with MANS. This is the specialization book. So here we have the technically and functionally both the sides. So when we perform the communication with the PLC, we have the programmable logical controller. It supports multiple different languages. Also it supports the Java, as I am a Java certified professional. So I have written this book. In this book I have mentioned this is the straight project overview guidance book, and here we have the which kind of because here multiple things works extensible markup language we call XML, and for an example OData. Okay, also Java pure Java coding programming, and ABAP or some tables works together here. So if you're looking for integration here, so automation with Java, PLC integration, real industry project guide. So this is the good book for you. Okay, so you can see the label. Okay, so I do printing based on the demands. Okay, so physical copies or based on the demand I take the print and I do the courier, and this is the good book if you're looking for the good idea how the PLC connects with the material flow systems with SAP, and also how the Java programming, the which specific Java, we have the Java method, some kind of functions, some kind of namespaces, okay, standard namespaces or application programming interfaces, how it helps to the system to communicate with the PLC. Okay, so this is the handbook. Okay, this is a handbook, so please refer my this book. Okay, thank you very much guys. See you again.